Here we're doing what's called RTUs. They support HVAC equipment. They haven't set the unit on the top yet. So we're reinforcing the wood framing they put right here. We're going to do that with angle iron. We're going to start by tacking a clip right here to hang it on to, so we just got to clamp it. All these everywhere are pretty much the same. So now we're going to measure for the RTUs. These always go up in the joist. This is your joist cord. This has this angle right here. You're going to measure for your notch. You measure for your notch on this joist cord. And the angle we got, we're going to go 1.5 inch cut back. And then you would measure from this joist to the one opposite. To the inside. So, our inside measurement, the inside right here. We're going to go 5'10" and 8. Hard to put it at 5'10" even. Alright, so we're going to measure back our 5'10". You all got to focus on? Oh, shit. Snip stop. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and mark out our 5'10" on our steel. We're going to measure out our 5'10". Put a close foot right there. Where's the square at? Mark with square, our overall length. So we have, this would be for the inside of the other joist. So we have 1.5 inch cut back on our notch. We'll make it mark 1.5 inch back. Then we make it on this side because this is the side going up. The mark's going to go down this way. And right here is where it has to be cut to fit up into the joist so it can fit flush. So you make a mark right here, and that would be the cutout. And that's how you make notches. Same thing on this side. Except all we do is we go in our 1.5 inches. Now all we do is take off our thickness for our notch, and then we put our mark there, and that's our piece. So now we have our notch cut. This is the notch I was talking about. So that's going to fit right up into our joist cord, and it'll give us a weldable surface. So we go ahead and we weld on these clips, and it helps us to clamp the angle to and hold it in place while we tack the angles in before welding. Alright, so it's the end of another episode. I'm kind of just talking into the camera here. Lost my microphone receiver, so I don't know where that's at. But short video here, RTUs, very simple, very basic, pretty straightforward. Let's keep this thing moving forward, make America build again.